In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your old Instagram bios. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and there hit at your profile picture to open up your profile. Next, hit at menu icon and select your activity. There, search for account history and get into it, and it shows up all your account history. You can scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and here just look for bio, and that is actually my first bio that I've made on that account. I made it 2 years ago, and that's how you can find all bios at your Instagram profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.